Hi guys, today I'll be creating a ChatGPT QA, like question and answer kind of interface, where we'll be sending queries to the ChatGPT and we'll be receiving an output from ChatGPT in the interface. And that interface will be creating using Streamlit, and we'll be using LangChain as a language low language model to create this. So let me give a short brief about this LangChain. LangChain is a framework for developing applications which are provided by the language models. So basically, we can use LangChain for developing codes, use it in production, or use for deploying. For developing codes, we use LangChain libraries, and for production, we use Langsmith. And for deployment, we use Langsurf that help us to create like any chain into API. For more details, you can go through their documentation that is available on internet, or I'll be providing the link to their documentation in the description below. So coming to the Streamlit, so Streamlit is a free open source framework which helps us to rapidly build and serve beautiful front end. It is based on this machine like Python script. So without wasting time, we'll be starting. Let's create a chat GPT QA dot. Okay, so prior this will be installing a few libraries like pip. Wait, I have everything here. Let's first install this Streamlit. Like for me, it is pre-installed, so it won't take much time. For you, it might take some time. It will be downloading it. Install LangChain. Then we'll be installing OpenAI, and at last, the fourth library that we have is to install this .env file, like for Python. Okay, one more thing we need to create here is .env file. I hope you have some idea about this. Okay, so now we have, like, you'll need an OpenAPI key. I have it stored over here. I'll be deactivating it after this video. You can create a new API key using your ChatGPT account. Okay, so we'll name it as OpenAI API key, and then answer. Okay, we'll be saving this, and then let's start with the coding. Let's import Streamlit first as st. Now we'll be importing LangChain, and then we'll be loading this .env thing. Okay, so from wait, for this we need .env import. Okay, so now to, like, we use basically this .env file to hide these keys because this might be confidential. So let's, for that we have low. Okay, just a second. .env. Now it will load everything, like that file will any like key or any deployment name we need, that we need to hide. Not like we don't require to show in the code, we need to hide it somewhere else. So we can use .env. So let's start with this. One second. Let's start with this, creating a title of this HTML, like of that front end. So st dot title will be giving the title name. Okay, so let's say it's chat GPT QA, or we can say chat GPT clone. It's not actually a clone. I will be creating a similar, like not similar, I would say it would be having a simple interface where we'll be posting a query and it will be giving an answer from OpenAI, a response from OpenAI. So moving next, we'll be creating a prompt. So prompt is like we'll be accepting the text input from the front end. So we in in Streamlit we have this function as text input, and we'll be enter your query here. Okay, now we have, like, we'll be calling this OpenAI AI. Okay, so if this text input has any prompt inside it, then in that case we'll be sending it a response. Okay, response equals to, now we'll be printing this prompt, like the response, not a prompt. Okay, now let's try running this. Nice. So as you can see, this is our front end ready, and it's connected to the OpenAI. Let's say we are sending any query to this OpenAI. Let's say we are asking any question, what is Azure, it will be returning a response. Okay, so we got a response. Again, if we ask anything like what is, or we can just say a hi, a hey, will be that. Okay, so these kinds of responses will be getting through ChatGPT. Okay, so I hope you liked the video, and I'll be bringing some more videos on this, like where we'll be storing the history of that user message as well as the responses we are getting from the ChatGPT. Also, we'll be like working on another project where we'll be sending a PDF and we'll be receiving we can ask any questions with that PDF. Like we'll be using Streamlit, again, that LangChain and Python and OpenAI. So stay tuned.